Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts. Now we're tuned to E 330, so we're in between E and E flat. So let's get into it. Starting with an A chord, we're just strumming and hold for 4. Then we're going to an A augmented, so open A, third on the D, second G and B, first on the E, so it's A augmented. Then we're going to an F sharp minor over A, so open A, 4 on the D, 2, G, B and E, hold for 4. Back to the A augmented, hold for 4. Back to our A, hold for 4. Then go to an E7, so just play your E chord and add the 3rd fret on the B string, hold for 4. Back to A, hold for 4, back to the E7, hold for 4, and we're repeating again, A, to our A augmented, to our F sharp minor over A. Now we're going to go to an A7, hold for 4, then a D over A, so it's just a D chord but include the open A string, hold for 4, D minor over A, so again just a D minor chord but include the open A string. Then we just arpeggio picking the A chord to finish off the intro, so A, D, G, B, E. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, and the pattern's going to stay the same way the whole way through. We're going to do a mute with a down up and then the A, down up A. So we're playing on the 2 and the 4. Then do the same on the A augmented. Same on the B minor. Same on the E. Back to B minor the same. E the same, up to a C sharp minor the same, to an F sharp, to the B minor, to the E the same, then to our A the same, to our A augmented the same, back to our A, back to our A augmented. So that's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. And for guitar 2 we're just starting on an A power chord and we'll be palm muting 8 times. So our pattern will be, that's our A and that's 1 bar. Then just move up to the open A, 3rd fret on the D, do the same. Go to a B power chord the same. E power chord the same, back to the B the same, E the same, up to a C sharp power chord, same again, back to the F sharp, to the B again. Then we're going to go to E and we're just going to do it 6 times. Then 2nd fret on the A string we're going to bend and release. Play the open E, back to the A string 3 times. Bend 2nd fret A again and release. Then open A, jump to 3rd fret on the D 3 times. And we do that twice. 2 times there, and then to finish off back to the 2nd fret on the A string, bend and release, and then just the open E. And there are all the parts to the verse. our second verse, guitar one's going to be nearly exactly the same, except we're going to end on a G. So the A still stays the same, mute, mute, play, mute, mute, play, our A augmented, our B minor, to our E, back to our B minor, E, C sharp minor, F sharp, B minor, E, A, to our A augmented, now back to our A, now we're going to go to G, mute, mute, play, mute, mute, play, and then play it again and stop. Then we have our second guitar, and it's going to be all the same except for the intro and the outro there. For the start, we're just going to play the A chord and hold for 2 count, 1, 2, then go back to the palm muting, 3, 4. Then just do the rest the same, and the last part changes a little bit. First part will stay the same. Repeat again. Now here we're doing the bend on the 2nd fret A, bend and release, open A, then go to 5th fret on the D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our second verse there. So for our bridge, guitar one is going to be the same pattern as guitar one through the rest of the song, but the chords are going to be different. We're going to start with an A minor, D7, G, E minor, back to the A minor, D7, G. Now to finish off, we're going to go to E, 2 downs, and E, add 9. So we're going to play the open E string, 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, so a bit of a stretch there, 1st G, open, B and D, down, and then to an E7, so down, 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 and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're going to start with the open A string, then 3rd fret A, 2nd D, back to 3rd A, 2nd D, then play the 3rd fret A, slide up to the 5th fret, to the D string, 4, 7, 4, 7, 5, 3 on the E, A, 2, 5, 2, 5, open E, 3rd fret E, 2nd fret A, 3rd fret E, 2nd fret A, then we're doing the start again, A, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, slide up to 5 on the A, to the D, 4, 7, 4, 7, 5, to the 3rd fret E string, 3, A, 2, 5, 2, 5, and then to finish off, we're playing the open E string 2 times, 2nd fret, 4th fret, and they're all the parts to the bridge. From there we go back to our first verse, and guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. For our next section, guitar 1 is just going back to our intro chords, but we're going to use the pattern we have throughout the song. So our A, mute, mute A, mute, mute A, to our augmented A, to our F sharp minor over A, back to our augmented, to our A, to our E7, back to our A, to our E7, then we're repeating A, to our A augmented, to our F sharp minor over A, to our A7, to our D over A, then we're just finishing on our D minor over A. So from the D over A, and that's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're going to start on the A power chord and the same pattern as before. Then we're going to do a down up. So do the same on the A augmented. F sharp minor over A, back to the A augmented, to the A, to the E7, to the A, to the E7, back to the A, the augmented, F sharp minor over A. Then to finish off we're going to an A7 and we just do 4 down strums. Back to our D, same pattern as before. D down, up, and finish on our D minor over A. So for our outro we're just playing the A to the A augmented with the same strumming pattern. A to our A augmented, and we just keep repeating that all the way through to the end. Now guitar 2 is just doing our fill as before. Just keep repeating that to the end. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed Just Like Starting Over, Guitar Lesson by John Lennon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.